Second, that another
for
अच्छा सर,
for TSM, right?
अच्छा
Am I
so
audible?
for
सर
this
आपके voice सर
yes sir.
मेरे इंटरनेट में फिर भी अनस्टेबल दिखा रहा है. I don't know what is the problem. I think in previous session we were discussing
आपकी
about CFM, and this particular schedule will be there for marketing research subject, right? So let's start. Do you remember what are the things and what are the definitions you have learned in the subject called business research methods? BRM पढ़ाया गया है आपको?
Yes, sir.
yes
Right? So this subject is nothing but the extension of that particular subject, right? What is this? It's an extension to BRM, right? And when we talk about marketing research, it is the application of your business research methods. Try to understand the words so that you will get the context easily and you will understand what is the background and theme and importance of this subject in your academics. So this is an extension to your BRM subject. In this, you are going to learn or you are going to understand how you can implement how you are, any problem from my end?
No, sir.
Okay. So in this particular subject, you are going to understand how you are going to implement the things that you have learned in BRM subject. So whatever the kind of business research methods you all have learned, that will be implemented in your job profile as a marketing specialization person. So who you are a marketing specialist now. You are going to use those BRM into marketing domain. Whenever you say, and what this BRM says that business research methods, this is nothing but BRM means nothing but the set of instructions or procedures or steps or methods or list of methodologies which you are using to solve any particular problem by scientific method of uh, scientific method of collecting data, interpreting data, analyzing it, and coming up with the information which will be helpful for your any kind of business problems, which will be helpful to resolve your any kind of business problems. So it's a kind of information generation activity, right? What are you going to do? You are going to create or generate information related to the issues, related to the practical issues of marketing function, right? Why I'm saying that marketing research? Because marketing function is something which you are going to be expert. Contextually, if you say that, what do you mean by marketing? What do you mean by marketing?
Science and art of understanding customer needs and wants and meeting them profitably.
Yes, marketing is any kind of business activity where you understand customers' needs, wants, and desires, and give them a and satisfied their needs, wants, and desires by your offerings, meeting the customer's need profitably. That is one of the short but sweet definition of marketing. Meeting customers' needs profitably. Whatever your customers are looking for, you are going to meet those needs. You are going to satisfy their needs, wants, demands, and you are going to earn the profit. So when you talk about marketing research, it means the research activities, whatever you are doing into particular domain of marketing. If you define marketing, in some ways you can say that marketing is creating, communicating, and delivering the goods and services to your customers, right? So when you are creating, when you are saying these three words, never forget these three words, right? The American Marketing Association has given definition of marketing, saying that marketing is a process of creating, communicating, and delivering. So it's not only about creating products, it's not only about sales or advertising, right? It's also creating, communicating, and delivering. Sales and advertising comes under the second heading, that is communicating. So whenever you are in the process of communicating, you are talking about advertisements, right? So it's creating, communicating, and delivering products and services to your customers. But when you talk about marketing, you will have to take so many marketing decisions in your life, right? You will have to take numerous marketing decisions. You will have to have this particular decision making activity to be done in your department multiple times. So whenever you are in the process of decision making, you will be required with some information. What will you need to conduct any decision, to take any kind of decision? You will need some information. And when we were talking about rational decision making model, right? Rational decision making model and एक informal decision making model, right? So हमने discuss किया था in previous semester when we were talking about decision making process, second unit of your management fundamentals. So rational decision making process is always supported by the facts, figures, data, findings, research, right? So whenever you want to take any kind of rational decision in the field of marketing, whenever you want to take any kind of rational decision, actually your all decisions should be rational only, right? You should never use a subjective opinion in your business. So whenever you are in the process of decision making, you will be required with information, and that information will be generated using the function of marketing research. And how would you conduct marketing research is all about your BRM, right? How would you conduct marketing research will be all dependent on your BRM. So I here assumes that you all are aware about the basic things of marketing research and basic things of your research methodologies. Once you are aware about few terms, like when I say that research, now it is not required for me to define research. You all are already aware about what do you mean by research, what are the types of research, advantage, process, steps, types, quantitative, qualitative, सब कुछ आपको आता है ऐसा assume किया जाता है, right? Because you have been taught entire semester for that subject, and now I am assuming that you know the basics, right? Can I have the definition of research from your end? What do you mean by research?
So means it's the process of collecting and gathering some new facts from the market, like collecting some new information from the market through various steps and process.
Collecting the information is it a research? So it's a information collection. Why we call it a research?
But because we want to know that what's going in the market, so we have to go as per the trend of the market. That's why, sir.
But the collecting the information is not something which we call it research, right? When you say that research is something, see, understand, I will tell you the definition, that's not an issue, but the collecting the information or collecting information and presenting it in the form of some report, can we call it a research? Absolutely not. You don't collect information, you collect data, you process it, and you create new information. That is called information. For example, you say that collecting the information, it means I have went to Reserve Bank of India and I told them, give me the balance sheets of State Bank of India for last 5 years. Is it the research? They have given me the balance sheets of 5 years. I have collected some information. Is it research? See,
No, sir. No, sir.
no, because only collecting information or collecting data is not something which we look for the research. Actually, if you would have used the word generating the information, then I would have said yes, it's perfect thing. It's very much suitable thing, right? So research is not about collecting it, research is about generating it. And when you talk about research, research is all about looking into a particular situation or a issue or a business problem with scientific and systematic approach of collecting, analyzing, processing, and interpreting the data, and creating some information which will be helpful for resolving that particular business problem. Isn't it? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So that's something we call it as research. So two terms I have told you. One is marketing, another is research. Understand the definition and meaning properly, because इधर ही गड़बड़ है तो फिर subject ऐसा लगेगा कि we are discussing something very different kind of. So I just want to create your thought process for marketing research subject. So in simple words, whenever marketing research subject sessions comes to your timetable or in front of you, you will understand we are going to study something which will help us to understand marketing problems better and to get solutions for your marketing problems. So marketing research is nothing but a deep study of marketing field and a study of solving issues in the marketing field. Itna yaad rakho. Marketing research means nothing but a study of some subject which will help us to resolve the issues related to marketing. So हम जो issues solve करने के लिए study करने वाले हैं उसको आप marketing research बोलना. इतना simple याद रखिए meaning, right? So marketing and research, these two things we have discussed. This is about syllabus of unit 1. I won't take you through the syllabus now. That is your job. You go and look after what all the subjects we are going to teach, and what all the units we are going to discuss, and what are the topics in each and every unit. So I give it to you. I leave it to your wisdom. You just go and check into the syllabus. What are the units and what those units contain? As all of you know that whenever we are in the first unit, we generally look after the meaning, definitions, limitations, scopes, introduction, benefits, use, limitations, everything, right? So we will understand how the system and marketing research works. What is the difference between system of marketing research and actual market research? Then marketing decision support system. How research would be helpful for marketing department. How it will support marketing department. How it works as a uh, aid of particular thing, assistant of particular thing, right? So it supports marketing decision system. And then the rest all the things, how we will look after uh, what are various types by which we conduct a digital kind of marketing research. It means that will be online marketing research, recent trends in the marketing research industry in India. You all must have heard that there are so many marketing research companies, right? You all know some of the names, and you know that some of the people from your class also got selected in marketing research companies. So when you talk about marketing research industry in India, it is really a very big thing. It is, yes, Priyanka, bolo.
So your voice is lagging.
Yes, I know
So your
that.
voice is lagging.
Yes, sir.
I think this will be restored, right? Am I clear now? Am I audible to you all? Hello. Am I audible to you all now?
Yes, sir, no audible.
Yes.
Audible. It was completely lagging. You couldn't understand anything.
Yes, sir.
What I was talking, I was talking to you all about the marketing industry, right? Marketing research industry in the country. So when we talk about marketing research industry, you all know that there are so many companies. You also know few names of the companies, out of which something called markets and markets. Uh, Markets and markets is there, and all other companies like Deloitte, Wipro, BNI Mellon, Capgemini, these people are also into marketing research, right? Now you will ask me like, sir, these companies are working most of the times into the financial consulting, right? I agree, I accept. But the point is that whatever research you do related to any business activity, whatever research you do related to any kind of business activity, that becomes marketing research. Why? Because one of the definition of marketing itself says that marketing means everything that starts with the business idea, and it ends with the business itself, right? So anything happening from the beginning to the end of business is called marketing. And when you look after 7 P's, elements of marketing mix, you will understand marketing is considering all the aspects. Marketing considers costing, finance, in pricing sector. Marketing considers distribution, supply chain, logistics, in place element. So whatever comes in the business is coming under the marketing. And when we talk about any kind of business research or any kind of research that we conduct to solve or address our business issues, routine business issues or strategic business issues, what kind of business issues we have, whatever kind of business issues we have. So marketing research is an activity which will be conducted or which will be taken over for getting information related to any kind of business issues. So simple ways. So there are some companies, and this which company came to your summer internship to your college? Some Allied Analytics, I think, right? So that is also kind of company. Let's discuss about that. I will let you know what is the market size of Indian research company. I will also talk to you all about top leaders, market share segments. I will also tell you about types of market research outsourcing, how these companies work, what kind of reports they prepare, and what is what is syndicated report, what is customized report, and all those things. So we will also discuss for that particular thing. So when we will talk about marketing, ये था definition for your understanding. If you want to read, सब लोगों को पता है, I expect कि होना चाहिए पता, नहीं है तो भी पढ़ लो, चाहिए तो स्क्रीनशॉट करके रखो, इसको रट्टा मार के रखो, right? Keep it completely in your mind and on the tip of your tongue. Point is that if you go to the interview for a marketing specialization profile, and if he asks you what is the definition of marketing, and then if you start telling you the definition, by whatever you have understood or whatever you are thinking is a marketing. He is not asking you what is your opinion about marketing and what do you understand by marketing. ऐसा पूछा तो आप लोग आपको जो समझा वो बता दो. But जब भी कोई आपको पूछता है what is the definition of particular thing, you people start saying something which you have understood. But theoretical definitions are equally important. If someone asks you definition का मतलब होता है double quoted sentence. What is that? Double quoted sentence which you never can change, right? So as American Association of Marketing has defined, marketing is the activity of set of instructions and procedures and activities for creating, communicating and delivering and exchanging offerings for the value offerings to have value for customers, clients, partners and society at large. So इतना याद रखो, प्रॉपर याद रखना चाहिए डेफिनेशन. You should mug it up, right? Why do we do marketing? So you all know that, just go through it. We do marketing to earn profit. So whenever you want to earn profit, you will have to have some business. And if you want to have a business, you will need information. If you need information, you have to go for research, right? So any research done for getting information related to your business problems, issues, you will go for marketing. Then marketing is dynamic field. What is marketing? How it works? These points are given on your screen. So when you talk about marketing, you will have to talk about competitors also. You will have competitors. It will help you to become more competent in terms of in comparatively with your competitors. So you have competitors. To address the competition in market, you have to go for marketing. So if you want to grow your business, you need to go for marketing. So for whatever you want to do, in simple words, this whenever you have to have any kind of decision making, you will have to go for marketing activities, right? So this decision making depends on information depends on research, right? ये slide बताना मेरा objective नहीं था, फिर भी आप लोग समझ लो. Why do we do marketing? We need to look into opportunities. If you really want to look into opportunities as a business owner, you will have to understand where are the opportunities. Most of the researches which are related to market potential understanding or studies related to market potential will talk to you all about this particular thing, right? Research studies related to opportunities in market. Most of the studies which are coming under the category of potential analysis, on study on market potential or particular overseas market potential, or say you want to understand what is market size and market share of different companies under different companies in particular segment, there it comes into picture. So this study, if you want to get new opportunities, you want to evaluate new opportunities, you will use marketing and marketing research, right? So this is about marketing, and then we'll talk about research. समझ में आ रहा है क्या चल रहा है? What thing I am talking?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so I'll get the definition of research, right? What do you mean by research? Research is
Careful and detailed study into a specific problem.
Analyzing data.
Careful and detailed study. You may also call it as a scientific study, systematic and scientific study, right? Research is a systematic and scientific investigation of any kind of business issues or situation or phenomenon, right? Another definition, as per the definition given on the screen, research is a careful and detailed study into a specific problem, right? When you want to address particular specific problem, you will have to have an information, and if you want to address that information, you will conduct research. So business research is a systematic and objective process of creating information for aid in marketing, aid in making decisions, aid in business decisions, right? Research will help as a support. If I give you an example of army, right? When you talk about army needs some information, right? Army needs information. Yesterday, I think we were talking about the importance of RAW in terms of creating intelligence, right? If the RAW and your intelligence bureau do not create information and do not provide it to the army people, they cannot take action. So they cannot make decisions in which area they have to send the fighter planes and where they have to take where they have to make strikes and all. So the decision making of any department is entirely dependent on the information provided. So whenever your marketing departments want to take any kind of any kind of decision, whenever your marketing department wants to take any kind of decision, you will need an information. Your marketing research team have to provide you that information. Your marketing intelligence should work for you, right? So business research is a systematic and objective process of creating information and which helps in business decision making. It is application of scientific methods for searching information related to business phenomenon. It facilitates managerial decision process for all aspects of the business. When you talk about all aspects, it means all 7 P's of your business, right? Read the last 2 lines carefully. What it is not. Read last 2 lines carefully. What it is not. I mean, research is not the transportation of facts from one source to another, as we were talking, that collecting the information, right? So it's not some activity which transports some ready information from one source to another source. If we do that, it is not called as the research. Research is systematic process of generating information for helping, aids in the sense help for helping decision making related to your business problems, right? So research is not a transportation. Another, research is not a solution. So why I'm saying that? Do you think that this research can give you the solutions for business problems? क्या लगता है? Research आपको solution देगा?
Sir, it has to be implemented. I mean, whatever facts and the insights which you have generated, it has to.
Right. So the information, research will only give you the information, right? It will never give you the solution. So research do not provide solutions. But yes, research will help you to identify what kind of solutions you may have. It will give you the answers. Solutions suggest करेगा, but implement करोगे तभी आपका problem solve होगा. For example, you have got to know that your sales is decreasing since 6 months, like 10%, 20% sales decrease is happening every month. You completed the research why it is happening. You got to know that 100, you got to know that 5 10 reasons. Because of these 10 reasons your sales is decreasing, right? Do you think that by doing this particular thing your sales will go up? No. You have to implement what kind of solutions your research has suggested. Your researcher will study all dimensions of your sales, whether your promotion strategy is not up to the mark, whether your customers value whatever you are going to give through your products are not appropriate. Researcher team will let you know what is happening. Then you have to use that information in the business, implement that information in the business, then you will get the solution. So research will never provide you solutions. Research will provide you information which can be used as the solution, which can be implemented to get the solution, right? And these methods you already have studied in BRM, the meaning of methods. What do you mean by research methods? Methodology is nothing but the stages, strategies, procedures, techniques, methods by which you collect, process, and interpret data, right? You collect, analyze, and interpret data. There are 2 methods of conducting research, that is qualitative research and quantitative research. Both similarly are applicable in marketing research also, right? Another point is that market research versus marketing research, right? You must have heard this word many times. We call it many times as a marketing research, we call it many times as a market research, right? So what do you mean by marketing research and what do you mean by market research? Just go through those two parameters and go through the table shown on your screen and let me know what kind of differences you understand. What do you mean by market research? What do you mean by marketing research? What do you understand by this comparison? Actually, in practical, if you see that market research and marketing research, these 2 words are being used interchangeably, right? Most of the time, these words are being used interchangeably. Reason behind that is this marketing research is a part of market research. Okay? Entire this right side column is a part of this left side column. Abhi dekho. When you talk about market, what do you mean by market? Market का मतलब क्या है?
जहाँ पर buying और selling होती है.
That is marketplace.
Sir, a physical place where we buy and sell.
That is marketplace. Right? That is marketplace. See, when you say that the country's market is going very down, are you referring any physical place? Indian market is not moving a lot. Whenever you make such kind of statement, Indian market is not moving a lot. Is it any physical place you are referring to?
No, sir. We're referring to the customers, consumers. Can we say that?
You are referring to consumers, customers, companies, economy, production, services, everything together, right? So when we say that market, हम बोलते हैं ना market का हालत अभी ठीक नहीं है. Market का हालत ठीक नहीं मतलब क्या? Overall transactions happening in terms of buying or selling something, or in terms of exchanging something, or in terms of lending money for people or taking money from people, whatever things are happening in the economy. So overall पूरे country में related to the sales and purchase जो होता है, altogether is called as the market. So market is a larger aspect and market is an intellectual aspect, right? Larger है and intellectual है. Reason behind that is you cannot touch, feel, and you cannot touch or feel the market. But when you talk about marketplace, or when you talk about place of exchange of goods and services, so that is really a geographical place, as you call, where exchange of goods and services happens, right? So marketing and market, these are two different aspects. When you refer to a market, market is a broader aspect. For example, insurance market, we call it na, insurance market of India is very growing with a very huge CAGR, right? With a good CAGR since 5 years. So when you refer a market, it's about the broader aspect. It's a very big aspect, and it's the external aspect of your business. So when you talk about macroeconomic environment, macro business environment, that goes into the market research, isn't it? Look after the points given in that table. All the points are talking about macro aspects, macro activities of your business, isn't it? समझ में आ रहा है? So macro aspect means outsiders aspect, which are talking about the external market. So whenever you do research, understand, whenever you do research related to a broader aspect of your business, broader aspect and external aspect of your business, that research goes into a category of market research. And another, whenever you do research to your micro aspect of the business, whenever you do research to a micro environment of your business, that comes into the marketing research. So I told you what do you mean by market. Then what do you mean by marketing? Marketing क्या है? Marketing is creating, communicating, and delivering. Everywhere you are using this ing. सब लोग हम present tense में use कर रहे हैं. इसका मतलब क्या है? Marketing is a continuous process, right? Market is not a process. Market is an entity. Marketing is a process which keeps changing every day and which is very different for all the companies according to their own selves. So it is a micro aspect of the business. So in micro aspect, what comes? If we are into a product design and development, that is our internal factor, right? हम product और design और development में है तो क्या है? Internal factor है, right? When we are into deciding our own pricing strategies, the research studies that we will do for our own pricing studies will be an internal matter, right? And whenever you are talking about developing and designing product for your own company, so your design and development is your internal matter. That is again a research studies done for your micro factors, and those micro factors also coming under the marketing research. So जो business के अंदर होता है, business के खुद के लिए होता है, that is marketing. Compare it with the micro and macro, you will remember it easily and you will understand it also easily. So you all know what is micro environment. So micro environment को study करने के लिए जितनी भी research study हो जाएगी, all those research studies will come under marketing research. And macro environment, external environment के लिए जितनी research study हो जाएगी, all those research studies will be coming into market research category. And for example, market size and competition. So market size and competition, you are talking about external competitors, external companies. When you talk about market size, can anyone tell me? Do you know market size? What do you mean by market size?
So the market share in his product portfolio the company is having. Right?
No. Come again, Satya.
So I'm saying the market share. Let's say that in online platform, Zoom is having a market share of, let's say, 60
Hmm.
in comparison to Google Meet.
Okay, okay. So what is market size? You are very close to that. You are talking about market share. Market share is a component of market size. Market size is nothing but a total consumption into that particular industry. Yeah? Total consumption of that particular industry. For example, what is the market size of Indian cement industry? Array, my internet is again creating problems.
So lost your voice when you start explaining it. So if you keep your video off, then it will be fine, I guess.
Okay. But keeping video off makes me disconnected from you all, right? I cannot see myself also, not your windows also. So that makes me disconnected. Mentally disconnect हो जाता हूँ. मैं सिर्फ screen ही दिख जाती है आगे. So having video on helps me to concentrate. Another point, am I audible now?
So again, we lost you for a couple of seconds.
Okay, am I audible now?
Now it's audible.
Okay, so problem is that if I switch off my video, I get disconnected. Mentally, I only can see the screen and then I don't know to whom I am talking. At least I can see myself on screen, few faces of your windows. So that helps me to be on point. Okay, so I was talking to you about market size, right? Market size is nothing but the total consumption of particular industry. And what do you mean by industry then? Anyone who can define industry? How many people are there? Guys, quickly. This is very, very, very unexpected from you all. एक तो 20 लोग क्लास में हो जो है उसका कोई गलती नहीं है इसमें. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड योर फीलिंग्स आल्सो. आप 20 हो जो नहीं है उनका गलती. तो आपको धोखे कोई मतलब नहीं है कि आप एब्सेंट रहते हो ये हुए. आप हो यहाँ पे तो जो नहीं है उनको धोना चाहिए. अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई कैन नॉट टॉक टू देम. बट I am not going to move ahead now if you do not tell me what do you mean by industry. Don't Google it. Apply your mind. ढूंढने का कोशिश मत करो. सोच के समझ के जवाब दो. What do you mean by industry? क्योंकि देखो अगर ये ऐसी चीजों को आप समझते नहीं हो तो बकवास करके कितना भी बड़बड़ हम करें तो कोई मतलब नहीं. Yes, Swapnil, what is industry?
I mean, where actual production of goods happens.
That is manufacturing unit. See, being a marketing person, being a management student, after your graduation, most of you have been graduated in commerce, and most of you have been graduated in BBA, BCom, and 6 months of for your MBA also has gone. Still, we are lagging on very basic understanding. What is industry? Anyone? क्या है industry? Cement industry. बोलो. If I say that cement industry, what do you refer for? What do you refer by this particular word? आपको बड़ी बड़ी बातें सिखा के फिर कोई मतलब ही नहीं है ना. मैं कितना ही बड़ा टेक्निकल चीज बोलाऊं. What do you mean by conjoint analysis, factor analysis, what are the research tools and all? ये तो मैं सब बताने ही वाला हूँ. That is, मुझे ये लगता है बहुत बड़ा कुछ सीखने से अच्छा है बेसिक में ज्यादा सीखना जरूरी है. राइट. एबीसीडी पहले आएगी तो इंग्लिश अच्छा है.
वॉइस लैग कर रही है आपकी बहुत.
ओके सत्या बोलिए. हेलो हेलो, कैन यू हियर मी?
तो आपकी बहुत वॉइस लैग कर रही है, कुछ समझ में.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
लैग हो रही है.
हाँ सत्या बोलिए. अभी am I audible?
सर अभी ठीक है सर, फिर थोड़ी देर बाद फिर से लैग करना स्टार्ट हो जाता है.
Okay, ठीक है. I will keep the video off and I will explain you the things whatever is the possible, right? So I was talking to you all about when we, ये तो clear है, market and marketing research, market research, marketing research.
Yes sir, market size and market share वहाँ तक clear था.
Okay, market size and market share clear है, right? Market size is, no, मैंने अभी तक बताया नहीं आपको, फिर भी मैं आपको फिर से explain करता हूँ. When you refer to the word market size, it is a total consumption in that particular industry. क्या? It is a total consumption of that particular industry throughout the entire country. पूरे कंट्री में उस इंडस्ट्री में जितना कंजम्पशन होता है. मार्केट साइज मे बी ऑफ टू टाइप्स और इट कैन बी डिनोटेड इन टू वेज. वन इज इट्स टोटल मॉनेटरी वैल्यू and another is its total unitary value. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
So अगर मैं आपको बोलता हूँ कि in the market size of Indian automobile sector is, let's suppose, 1 lakh crore a year, right? इसका मतलब टोटल ऑटोमोबाइल सेक्टर में 2-wheeler, 4-wheeler, ट्रक्स, टेम्पोज, वट एवर काइंड ऑफ ऑटोमोबाइल वी क्रिएट, ये सब पूरा मिलके 1 लाख करोड़ का बिक जाता है इंडिया में. दैट इज आवर मार्केट साइज. क्लियर है? क्विकली रिस्पॉन्ड मी, आई कैन नॉट सी यू नाउ. Understood everyone? What do you mean by market share? Sorry, market size.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So whenever you refer to some words, do not misunderstand those words, right? Market size is total consumption into a particular industry. Total consumption of entire country for particular industry. So what do you mean by industry now? जैसे ऑटोमोबाइल इज इंडस्ट्री, सीमेंट इज इंडस्ट्री, बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंस इज इंडस्ट्री, एजुकेशन इज इंडस्ट्री, सॉफ्टवेयर एंड आईटी इज इंडस्ट्री, हेल्थ केयर इज इंडस्ट्री, हॉस्पिटैलिटी इज इंडस्ट्री. आप लोग
So means group.
Group
Yes.
of companies.
Yes.
Will do
Yes.
their primary business.
Yes. Who is saying that?
Sir.
Okay. So
Satya.
yes, you got it right. The thing is that industry is the group of companies. Industry is the group of companies or organizations or associations or individuals, those who are working in a similar kind of business, in a similar kind of business. So when you refer the word industry, I have got placed in industry, ऐसा नहीं होता है. I have got placed in company होता है, right? So there is a difference between company, industry, manufacturing unit, and all those things, right? So when you talk about industry, it's a group of organizations and companies working in a similar kind of business. So, and what is market size? Market size is total consumption of that particular industry for entire country, right? And what do you mean by market share then?
Each company is having how much?
Yes, it is the amount of share of individual company in that particular consumption. पूरे in that particular industry consumption, पूरे industry में जितना consumption होता है उसमें every individual company का कितना share है, that is market share of the company. And that also can be calculated based on the two parameters, that is unit sales and that is another is the monetary sales. So it can be in terms of money and it can be in terms of units. So what is the market share of Maruti Suzuki in Indian automobile industry? ये स्टेटमेंट को समझने के लिए आपको आधा घंटे का पिछला डिस्कशन पूरा याद रहना चाहिए. इफ यू रीड दैट द मार्केट शेयर ऑफ मारुति सुजुकी कंपनी इज 24% इन ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री इन इंडिया फॉर लास्ट ईयर. ये अगर जब पढ़ते हो तो ये सब वर्ड्स का मीनिंग याद है क्या आपको? पता है क्या? अगर किसी ने टेक्निकली पूछा तो क्या होगा, राइट? सो सिर्फ पढ़ना या पता होना जरूरी नहीं, उसको समझना जरूरी. व्हाट डू यू whenever you refer to industry, company, market size, market share, ये सब याद रखो. Clear? So when you talk about market size and competition, it is external affair, isn't it? So that talks about entire market, bigger aspect. But when you talk about concept of product testing, is it about bigger aspect? Is it about external factors of your business? Absolutely not. Product testing happens at your own business level, right? खुद के बिजनेस में होता है, खुद के कंपनी में होता है. यू गो एंड यू टेस्ट योर प्रोडक्ट्स एंड व्हाइल यू आर टेस्टिंग योर प्रोडक्ट यू आर नॉट कंपेयरिंग योर ओन थिंग विद द कॉम्पिटिटर्स. टेस्ट करना है मतलब कॉम्पिटिटर्स के साथ नहीं करते हो कंपेयर. आप उसको टेस्ट के लिए आप अपना प्रोडक्ट देते हो और उसके फीडबैक लेते हो कस्टमर. सो रिसर्च स्टडीज रिलेटेड टू प्रोडक्ट टेस्टिंग, कंसेप्चुअलाइजेशन, डेवलपमेंट आर कमिंग अंडर मार्केटिंग रिसर्च. एंड अंडरस्टैंड these two things overlap somewhere, because as this right hand side is the part of this left hand side, these things overlap in most of the in some of the parameters. They overlap. For example, if you are talking about your own pricing strategies, and doing research how the pricing of your products can be set, what kind of research that would be?
Qualitative research.
That is marketing research, right? Because you are setting up your own pricing strategies. You are talking about own products pricing, so it's your internal matter. So that is marketing research. But when you talk about comparing your pricing with your competitors pricing, then what? Then it's a market research, isn't it? So market research and marketing research overlap somewhere. Just read this thing under market research: market size, market share, market trends. Because in market trends also you talk about the market trends, huh? Not company trends or organizational trends, या फिर आपके प्रोडक्ट का सेल्स ट्रेंड नहीं है, मार्केट ट्रेंड्स इन द सेंस you are checking like how the various player in that particular industry performing since 5 years, 10 years. That talks about market trends. So it's all again a bigger aspect of the business. Then target market identification, segmentation, STP. So when you are into STP, how you talk about segmentation, targeting, positioning. Segmentation is nothing but dividing a whole market into a smaller aspects and selecting that particular share of market for your own business is segmentation, isn't it? So segmentation अगर करते हो तो बड़ा मार्केट का स्टडी करना पड़ेगा. You have to study the entire market. Again, segmentation research comes under the market research, right? Then brand perception, brand equity, brand awareness, these are all your internal things. You are checking whether, and this can overlap again. Brand perception, brand awareness, that can be a marketing research. But brand equity and brand equity and brand image, brand equity and brand image, वो market research बन जाएगा. Because brand equity is equally, it's a similar concept like marketing, market share. Brand equity मतलब it's a market share. For example, अभी मुझे उसमें नहीं जाना चाहिए, but still I'll give you the overall idea. So brand equity in the sense it's a share of that particular brand in the total sales of competitors products under similar kind of product category. उसमें for example टूथपेस्ट में कोलगेट का ब्रांड इक्विटी कितना है? It depends on the comparison of Colgate with all other sales. जितना उसका market brand equity का अलग formula, it is different than market share and market size, but it is brand equity. It is nothing but how many times customers select your product over the product of other brands, right? That is brand equity. कुछ doubt है तो देख लेना आप. But brand equity is comparing again the competitors and external players, so it comes under market research. But brand awareness, so you are only talking about your products, whether your people are aware about the brand that you are marketing, and that way it is very easy for them. हेलो.
So it was lagging again.
अरे क्या करूं मैं, ये इंटरनेट हर बार जाते रहता है. 2-5 मिनट में इंटरनेट चला जा रहा है. परेशान हो गया मैं खुद. So what was the last point I was talking to you all?
The brand equity and how it is different with market.
हाँ, so the brand equity is something. Brand equity is nothing but the brand equity is nothing but the how many times customers can recall your brand over your competitor's brand amongst your total purchase. अगर साल में कोई 100 यूनिट परचेस करता है तो उसमें से वो आपके ब्रांड को कितना इंपॉर्टेंस देता है देन योर कॉम्पिटिटर्स ब्रांड, वो उसको आप देख लेना. जस्ट सिंपल चीज ये बताता हूँ. ब्रांड इक्विटी इज द एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर विच इज कंपेरेटिवली विच इज बीइंग कंपेयर्ड विथ योर कॉम्पिटिटर्स, सो इट कम्स अंडर द मार्केट रिसर्च. ब्रांड इक्विटी उसका डेफिनेशन वगैरह देख लो आप लोग. वो अभी पढ़ाते बैठेंगे तो आधा 1 घंटा उसमें चला जाएगा, राइट? सो आई बिलीव यू मस्ट बी क्लियर ऑन मार्केट रिसर्च एंड मार्केटिंग रिसर्च कॉन्सेप्ट्स.
Yes, sir.
Right, it should, and where it overlaps in those kind of things. So these are some examples given in green and blue about brand about market research, marketing research, and where it overlaps. So most of the times marketing research and market research overlaps in terms of competition. So whenever you are doing any kind of research which is related to a competition analysis or competition studies or identification of competitors, इस चीजों में जब रिसर्च करोगे तो वो ओवरलैप हो जाता है. इट कैन बी कंसिडर्ड एज मार्केटिंग रिसर्च ऑल्सो एज मार्केट रिसर्च ऑल्सो. some researches related to pricing. So pricing का मैंने बोला था, whenever you are deciding about your own pricing strategies, that is your internal research, that is marketing research. But when you compare the pricing of yourself and your competitors' pricing, that becomes market research. So that also overlaps there. Product attributes, it also can be overlapped. Again, comparison of products offered by all your competitors in market. Such kind of research studies will be overlapping in terms of market research and marketing research. Overlap होता है, फिर भी these two concepts and these two terms are different, right? Though they are being used interchangeably, it has different meaning, and where it differs in terms of the scope of the application of this concept. आप इसको कहाँ apply कर रहे हो? Which kind of research you are doing? The scope of your research decides under which category that research study will go. Whether it's a market research or whether it's a marketing research, it will be dependent on the scope of application of your research. If your research is applied inside, that is marketing research. If your research is applied outside and considering external factors, that is market research, right? Then next point is that why do we do research? क्यों research करते हैं हम? What is the objective of doing research? So research is done with some objectives, and those objectives are nothing but business competitions. Whenever you want to address business competitions in terms of customer, product, and industry competition, your customers are always being tapped by your competitors. Your competitors are always coming up different kind of products to attract your share of customers for their business, right? And then for that matter, you have to understand what your competitors are offering, what kind of customers they are targeting, what are the various strategies they are using to target your customers. These all are the questions which never could be answered, right? It is like they are continuously, they cannot be questions which can be answered once and then left behind. ऐसा हो नहीं सकता है, एक बार आंसर लेके उससे काम नहीं चलेगा. You will need such kind of research studies multiple times. You will need it very frequently in your business. So there the research will help you to get answers frequently for those questions. You need to understand, identify your customers. You need to understand who all are creating competition to you, what kind of products your competitions are offering and all. So industry competition, you all know the meaning of industry now. Industry competition is nothing but the rivalry of all the products in the industry, in that particular sector. So for there you will need a marketing research, and that is what it is required, right? That is one of the objective of marketing research, to overcome business competition, industry rivalry, your customers competition related to your customers and your product. So one of the objective is to address business competition. Other objective is to address the survival of your business. In the sense, see, if you ask me in simple words, what is the objective of research? Then main objective of research is to get the information, and information can be required in any kind of business activity. So objective of research in general is to resolve any kind of business issues and to resolve any kind of business problems. But we cannot say it like that only, like any kind of business is the objective. क्या क्या हो सकते हैं, कौन-कौन से टाइप के प्रॉब्लम्स आपको आ सकते हैं, वो इधर लिखा हुआ है. So survival of your business in terms of market share, market segment, market size, all those things are dependent. Then gaining sustainable competitive advantage. If you really want to have a sustainable business, if you really want to have a sustainable competitive advantage, it means some additional things with you than your competitors. You have to do research. You always have to keep finding what are the ways of being sustainable in the market. Sustainable matlab tikau, right? Which will go on for longer time, that is sustainable. If you really want to take your business to a longer time in market, you should have the market research at your proper place, so it will inform you what kind of customer needs and how you need to change. Example मैं आपको देता हूँ. You all know the story of Nokia, Kodak and Samsung, right? Sony for that matter. So they never have kept their research in the proper place. They never have identified market in a proper way. So their informatics, their intelligence lagged, and they could not create that competitive advantage over their customers, over their competitors, and they have lost their business because of the failure into marketing research, right? So dynamic business environment, you all know that business environments are changing very spontaneously, very rapidly, and changing dynamic business environments creates a lot of issues for the business. Issues related to launch of new products. Your competitors are every day coming up with new things, right? In 2019, I think 19 or 18, 3-4 external companies have started their operations in India within a span of 6 months. That is MG Hector, Kia Motors, and 2-3 more companies are there. I forgot their names, but these 2 companies I remember, MG Hector and Kia Motors. They have drastically changed the business strategies of Indian automobile manufacturers, those who were already in the business. पूरा का पूरा Kia Mahindra XUV का market Kia Motors खा लिया, right? Entire market of Innova has been taken over by Kia Carnival. So these are like very dynamic business change. Just an example, you understand it. So MG Hector came up into the market, and again the market of Creta, Innova, and for that matter MG Hector has again into a similar segment of Tata Harrier, and into again a similar sector of कौन सा गाड़ी XUV 500, right? इन सब का मार्केट का वाट लगा दिया इन सब गाड़ियों ने 2-3 साल के अंदर अंदर. ऐसा नहीं है कि पूरा कंपनी वॉश आउट हो जाएगा, बट these are certain kind of changes, right? And dynamic environment has made the entire world open for use of technology, movement of technology, and world is open for businesses as a home. You can do your business from anywhere in the globe. किसी भी country में जाके कभी भी company open कर सकते हो. So that is all about changing business environments, and it's very dynamic, which needs information, which needs a quick and faster decision making. And your quick and faster decision making will be only done by the right and accurate information, and this accurate information would be only generated using market research, market intelligence for that matter. More global competition, I think that is very easy point for you all to understand. So these are all the objectives of research. Why do we do research? Most of the times, everywhere, for getting customer satisfaction, you need a research. For addressing the competition in the market, in the industry, you need a research. For coming up new solutions for your customers, you need a research, right? So what are the objectives? These 5 are major classifications. Business, to address business competition, to have a business survival at your place, and to gain advantage, sustainable advantage for your business, to have a dynamic and to address challenges in a dynamic business environment, and research will be also helpful to manage your global competition. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
You are getting my point? Any difficulty understanding this? Very basic things we are discussing. I will take you to the technical points and use an application of marketing research in next session or next to next session. एक और session lighter note पे ही करेंगे and basic theory पे ही करेंगे. फिर उसके बाद we will go through the statistical tools and methods. You all have already learned what do you mean by hypothesis testing, right? आता है आपको?
Yes, sir.
You know what do you mean by hypothesis? How do you test it? What are the methods? I will tell you how you use marketing research in addressing marketing problems. For example, which are the common marketing problems for that matter? What do you understand by marketing problems in marketing area? क्या है marketing problem में common issues क्या है?
So retaining the customers and making them your loyal customers.
Okay, customer retention.
Customer retention.
Right. Creating a brand image. Right.
Competitors.
Competitors analysis. Yes, perfect. you always have to keep watch and eye on your competitors. उसका शेयर कितना है, मेरा शेयर कितना है, उसके कितने प्रोडक्ट लाइन में प्रोडक्ट है, मेरे राइट में कितने प्रोडक्ट है, उसका प्रोडक्ट लाइन विद डेप्थ कितना है, मेरा प्रोडक्ट लाइन विद डेप्थ कितना है, राइट? सो कॉम्पिटिटर्स एनालिसिस, कस्टमर्स परसेप्शन, कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन, ट्रेंड एनालिसिस एंड प्रेडिक्शंस, ये सब चीजें क्या, फ्यूचर प्रेडिक्शन,
Dynamic change also.
डिमांड एनालिसिस, यस,
Dynamic change also.
डायनामिक चेंजेस, यस, डिमांड एनालिसिस. सो ये 4-5 चीजें जो है, these are 5-6 things which are very much commonly applicable in the marketing research. क्या क्या, ट्रेंड एनालिसिस, right? You should be able to project how much product you are going to sell in the next year, next month, next 6 months, next year, right? So that your production can be planned accordingly, so that your marketing team can be making their marketing team can make their strategies in terms of promotion strategies, in terms of supply chain delivery, in terms of creating distribution channel and everything, right? So the prediction tool, trend analysis tool, and market segment and market share studies, ये चीजें आपके लिए मार्केटिंग में ज्यादा से ज्यादा अप्लाई हो जाएगी. And that is very much important for students to understand where to implement market research. And yes, your subject is totally all about that. It will give you various models and statistical methods by which you understand how to make trend analysis. Trend कैसे स्टडी करें? ट्रेंड पता है ना आपको? You know the meaning of trend, or do I need to tell you? ट्रेंड क्या है?
So trend means how the market is going now. So how the market is going out now, right now.
Trend is
Like
nothing
today's
but
half of the more market has been gone into digital mode.
No, that's fine. That is a technical, that is intellectual, right? In terms of technically, in terms of trend is nothing but the pattern of movement of anything, right? Pattern of movement of anything. It means what is the sales trend, what is the sales trend of your product. You have to understand पिछले 10 साल में कंपनी का सेल्स कैसा रहा है, कौन से ईयर में कितना है, कौन से मंथ में कितना है, टोटल प्रोडक्ट लाइन में कौन सा प्रोडक्ट कौन से मंथ में कितना बिकता है, और उसका कंपैरिजन आपको हमेशा लगता रहेगा. So you have used those softwares called Tableau and Python for that representation of data, right? So in marketing, understanding of those trends will help you to plan your most of marketing strategies. So trend analysis is very important tool. Similarly, prediction tools, demand forecasting, demand analysis, that is also very important. We are going to learn about that. Just keep in mind what is all there in the subject. उतना इंटरेस्ट के साथ आगे चलेंगे तो याद रहेगा. So trend analysis सीखेंगे, comparative analysis of your customers वो सीखेंगे. We will also learn perceptual mapping. Perceptual mapping in the sense how customers' perception about your products get developed. iPhone is the world's best phone. ये develop कैसे हुआ? And what are the factors affecting it? And how customers reach to that particular perception about any kind of product. So that we need to understand, isn't it? Being a marketing person, you should be able to know that what your customers are perceiving about your product. So perceptual mapping भी हम study करेंगे. And there are 2-3 more points, statistical points, which we are going to study. So variance analysis of variance within an opinion, that talks about customer satisfaction, how your customer satisfaction differs from one customer to another customer. That study we will do. And then we will also talk about conjoint analysis. Conjoint analysis is again about, which is talking about, conjoint analysis is talking you all about, I forgot that name. Conjoint है ना, conjoint ही है ना, किसी ने syllabus देखा है क्या? हाँ.
Yes,
that conjoint analysis will help you into forecasting of your future sales, that is in terms of market potential, right? If you want to estimate what is market potential for your product in particular segment, तो वो segment में market potential क्या है आपके product का, उसके लिए conjoint analysis आपको help करेगा, right? So we will go through those studies and we will understand that. So understood about this, why do we do market research? Objectives of market research clear? Virtual में बहुत problem हो रहे हैं, we are getting so many troubles, but चलो जो भी है, whatever we have, we will go ahead with that. The next point is about what are the motivations, why these days people are only talking about research a lot. Everyone is running behind research, सबको research चाहिए, right? What is the motivation of studying business research? So if you look after these things, you will understand these are the points by which people think that doing market research is an easy task now, right? Once you understand the concept, once you understand the methodologies properly, once you understand the aims and objectives of your research report, for what reason you are going to conduct that research report, अगर ये clarity है, तो then collection of data with a, now data collection costs are decreasing day by day. Example देता हूँ, you all know what do you mean by इलेक्शन के बाद वो क्या होता है, एग्जिट पोल्स, राइट? क्या होता है, एग्जिट पोल्स होते हैं,
Yes, sir.
सबने सुना है? एग्जिट पोल के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है, डेटा कलेक्ट करना पड़ता है. कहाँ से करना, कलेक्ट करना पड़ता है? फ्रॉम एवरी इलेक्शन बूथ यू शुड हैव सम सैंपल्स. हर इलेक्शन बूथ से 10-20 सैंपल आने चाहिए, और ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट सैम्पलिंग यू क्रिएट द रिजल्ट्स, फ्यूचर रिजल्ट्स, प्रेडिक्शंस ऑफ इलेक्शन रिजल्ट्स, राइट? सो व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज अगेन एक डेटा कलेक्शन एक्टिविटी. अगर 10 साल पहले या 15 साल पहले, 20 साल पहले अगर आपको ये करना है, ट्रेंड एनालिसिस, सॉरी प्रेडिक्शन करना है, एग्जिट पोल्स करने हैं, तो क्या करना पड़ता होगा? यू हैव टू सेंड अ पर्सन टू एवरी इलेक्शन बूथ. हर इलेक्शन बूथ पे आपका एक एक बंदा जाके वहां के लोगों से बात करके आना चाहिए. निकलते थे एग्जिट पोल, निकलते थे, नहीं 10-15 साल पहले भी एग्जिट पोल्स निकलते थे, राइट? बट डिफरेंस क्या था? इट यूज्ड टू टेक 2 to 3 months. और इलेक्शन में तब तो काउंटिंग को भी टाइम लगता था, तब तो काउंटिंग भी अभी ऐसे आपके जैसे अभी जल्दी जल्दी नहीं होती थी. 1-1.5 महीने तक वो एग्जिट पोल का कैलकुलेशन, स्टडी, एनालिसिस, डेटा आना है जाना है, वो पोस्ट से भेजेगा या फिर टेलीग्राम करके भेजेगा, एंड दैट विल रीच टू अ सेंटर प्लेस एंड दे ऑल आर गोइंग टू कलेक्ट दैट इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम अप विद द आउटकम. ये होते होते 1-1.5 महीना चला जाता था, राइट? रिजल्ट को 3-4 महीने, 2-3 महीने लगते थे पहले. अभी के जैसा नहीं था 8-10 दिन में रिजल्ट आ गया. अभी तो डिजिटल है, सब कुछ एक दिन में भी आ सकता है चाहिए तो, राइट? सो दोज डेज कलेक्शन ऑफ डेटा वाज वेरी कॉस्टली एक्टिविटी. हर एक डेटा देखना है, दैट वाज नॉट दैट इजी एक्टिविटी. अभी क्या है, अभी कैसे होते एग्जिट पोल्स? एनी आइडिया हाउ इट गोस?
तो मीडिया ही सब कुछ कर देती.
अभी तो सब टैब से हो रहा है, राइट? व्हाट्सएप से हो रहा है, फेसबुक से हो रहा है. एक सर्वे लिंक भेज दो, उस गांव के सभी बंदे भर देंगे उस सर्वे लिंक में जो चाहिए वो, राइट? एंड वो रियल टाइम इट कम्स टू द सेंट्रल अथॉरिटी, दोज हु आर एनालाइजिंग दैट डेटा. वहां से उनका रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ने सेंड कर दिया, या टीवी पे दिखता है कौन कितना ऐड हो रहा है. सो जब हम वोटिंग पोल होती है तो देखते हैं ना न्यूज में, डिबेट में, सो लाइव इट आर हैपनिंग फॉर योर डेटा. यू आर नाउ गेटिंग रियल टाइम डेटा फॉर व्हाटएवर काइंड ऑफ information you are looking for. So data collection costs and speed and efforts has decreased now. For example, you want to understand what is the opinion of COVID-19, what is the opinion of individuals towards COVID-19 vaccine. आपने सर्वे किया, so do we need to go to every individual's home now and get the hard copy of questionnaire filled? जाना जरूरी है?
हो सर.
कैसे करोगे?
Google form.
You will send them a link through your phone, right? WhatsApp पे एक मैसेज भेजोगे, उसमें लिंक है, गूगल फॉर्म है, भर दो, और गूगल फॉर्म बचा हुआ आधा काम कर देगा आपके लिए. ग्राफ्स वगैरह, डिस्क्रिप्टिव एनालिसिस बना हुआ निकाल के रख देगा वो. सो दिस हैज बिकम वेरी इजी. अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ पावरफुल कंपटीशन टूल्स. So there are so many kinds of competition tools are there. Most of the times I use SPSS for data analysis. It gives me a very precise estimations of statistical tests on data. जो भी statistical test चाहिए उसका एनालिसिस वो करके देता है. रिग्रेशन, कोरिलेशन, मीन, मोड, मीडियन, वेरिएंस, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन, पैटर्न एनालिसिस, कंपेयरिंग मीन, टी टेस्ट, एफ टेस्ट, जेड टेस्ट, सब कुछ एक सॉफ्टवेयर में आ जाता है, राइट? Excel is also a powerful tool for that matter. Excel is also a very powerful tool. I will let you know why when we will talk about trend analysis. I will show you some practical demonstration of Excel. कैसे यूज करते हैं. Then you all have used Tableau for data. Actually, Tableau is not a data analysis software. It is data representation software. Yes. Anyone wants to say something? Bhagirath, you are supposed to say.
No, sir.
Yeah, Tableau is data representation. It helps you to categorize data. It helps you to present data. It doesn't analyze the data for you, right? ये देता है मीन, मोड, मीडियन निकाल के देता है क्या?
No, sir.
You all have used it, right? And next one is Python. Python is a very powerful, then it does everything, right? Then very high scope of employment in the field. That's the reason people are motivated towards the research. You know, nowadays, whatever kind of the business you are looking after, even a smaller unorganized businesses does market research, and they are getting done those market research from a professional company. छोटे छोटे प्रोजेक्ट्स कंपनीज को दे रहे हैं लोग सर्वे करने के लिए. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू वांट टू ओपन अ कैफे इन अ पर्टिकुलर लोकेलिटी and you are investing, you will be creating a branded store of coffee shops, cafe. You will be giving market research outsourced to some small companies which will be taking some survey for yourself in that locality. So the outsourcing of the market research has increased a lot from the businesses. Big businesses and small businesses, everybody is like outsourcing their market research activities to the company. So it is creating employment, and hence people are very much interested in business research. Example देता हूँ, data collection has become easy because of technology. So somebody should be there to process that data. What's the use of only collecting data? If you visit more store, if you visit Pantaloons stores, you all know what happens is they take data. If you purchase something online, they are going to send you some email for the feedback. इतने सारे फीडबैक्स लेते हैं रोज. एक दिन में कितने फीडबैक जाते होंगे ऑनलाइन स्टोर को? लाखों करोड़ों फीडबैक जाते होंगे. उसका एनालिसिस करने के लिए कोई तो चाहिए, राइट? So the data collection has become easy. So people started collecting data. If you collect data, you have to process that data, and if you want to process data, you will need a market research people. And you may not imagine even कितने types का data collect होता है. For example, blood pressure and blood group details in a single laboratory. पहले कोई लिख के रखता था क्या? किसका ब्लड क्या कंपोनेंट से क्या है? Now every detail is being stored in computer, and आप 10 साल के बाद भी देख सकते हो उसको, 5 साल के बाद भी देख सकते हो. So that data is there to processed by someone. डीमार्ट में हर रोज इतना सेल्स हो रहा है, ब्रांड फैक्ट्री में इतना सेल्स हो रहा है, एवरीथिंग इज बीइंग पंच्ड. तो वो क्या है? दैट इज डेटा. सब स्कैन होके आ रहा है, कोड में से आ रहा है, कोड इज बीइंग स्टोर्ड इन कंप्यूटर. So analysis of those figures, those sales figures, those sales orders will help you to understand very different kind of generous information for knowledge. For example, संडे में कौन सी साइज के कितने जीन्स पैंट्स बिके हैं ब्रांड फैक्ट्री से. मैंने एग्जांपल आपको ब्रांड फैक्ट्री का दिया था, डीमार्ट का दिया था इन मैनेजमेंट फंडामेंटल्स. आई वाज टॉकिंग टू यू ऑल अबाउट क्वांटिटेटिव मेथड्स, राइट? या फिर यूज ऑफ आईटी इन मैनेजमेंट कैसे होता है. तो ऑन स्पेसिफिक डे, a specific kind of your product, 75 ग्राम का लक्स सोप्स, मंडे में क्या ट्रेंड है उसका, फर्स्ट मंडे में कितने बिकते, सेकंड मंडे में कितने बिकते, मंथ में. Based on that, you will manage to have the stock of those soaps in your store, right? So analysis के बहुत aspects हो सकते हैं. Analysis is required and can be done for numerous kinds of objectives, aims, requirements. And for that matter, you will need the experienced people and learner people, those who know how to handle data and those who know how to do a market research study, right? So it has a very high chances of employment and availability of information. I was describing you all about huge number of information is available. बहुत information available. Social media में the artificial intelligence is created for analyzing all your activities. It shows you all detailed things on particular date. आपने ये किया था, memories of that day, those day, ये सब चीजें. If you have your own business page on Facebook or Instagram, you can just go to the analytics bar, analytics menu of your Facebook page, and you will get to know that what kind of information it has been stored. If you have your own website, you will also get to know that information store क्या होता है. हमको पता ही नहीं है कैसे हो रहा है. मेरा एक वेबसाइट है, 120 कंट्रीज से लोगों ने उसको विजिट किया है. मुझे खुद पता नहीं है, मेरे खुद के इसको 120 कंट्रीज के लोगों ने विजिट किया हुआ है रिसर्च पेपर्स को. तो ये सिंपल सी बात है. अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ डिजिटल थिंग्स इज वेरी हाई, एंड इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल है, डेटा अवेलेबल है, तो उसको प्रोसेस करना चाहिए. प्रोसेस करने के लिए मार्केट रिसर्च चाहिए. कुछ समझ में आ रहा है?
यस.
ज्यादा ही बोल रहा हूँ मैं आजकल, है ना?
ठीक है.
बट वन वे में है तो कोई मेरे पास ऑप्शन नहीं है। जितना ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन मैं आपको थ्रो कर सकता हूँ, आई एम ट्राइंग टू शेयर इट विथ यू। सो थियोरेटिकल बात करना बड़ा मुश्किल भी होता है। यस, अंडरस्टूड। What is the objective and significance of research? The most important significance, in the sense importance, objective of research is to reduce business uncertainty, right? To reduce business uncertainty. So if you have any kind of uncertainty in decision making, if you have any kind of uncertainty in decision making, research will help you to get information. Research will help you to get information which will reduce your uncertainty. So research gets information which helps reduces uncertainty. The most important objective इतना याद रखो। So इसमें आपको marketing research भी पता, marketing research. What is the importance of marketing research? Marketing research will help you to reduce uncertainty. If being a marketing manager or a marketer, you are uncertain about something. For example, should I launch this particular product? Should I come up with this marketing campaigning? And was I effective in my previous marketing campaigning? These all are the uncertainties, right? Was my previous marketing campaigning effective? Question say, these are uncertainties. If your previous was not effective, then why are you launching new marketing campaign? And if you don't know what are the reasons that your previous marketing campaign was useful or not useful, or effective or not effective, then how can you come up with the new campaign? So uncertainties, everywhere managers are uncertain, right? What is the requirement of my customers? What kind of specific characters they want from my product? These all are the uncertainties, and research helps you to reduces uncertainty by providing information. It doesn't reduces your uncertainties, right? It helps you to reduce it. It helps you to reduce. So actual solution नहीं देता है, but it is a very significant and important to reduce your uncertainty. And if you do not do research and use any strategy, if you do not do research and implement any strategy to reduce your uncertainty, तो फिर आपका business loss में जा सकता है. You may make a very wrong decision, very disaster for your business. For example, you can see on your screen, this doctor is confused whether they should start, or this manager of that hospital, not necessarily doctors are managing hospitals. There would be a people like you, marketing managers, HR managers, finance managers, or admin managers, those who are sitting and managing hospitals. So marketing manager of particular hospital may be confused whether they should start on-site child care service, whether they should start on-site child care service. What is that? Dilemma for management, dilemma for that manager. He is confused, he is uncertain, right? So he is looking after the information, right? And if suppose without doing market research, without doing any studies, he launches that particular thing, then what will happen? It may work, or it may be a very big disaster for the business, and the chances of failure are more, because while you are studying it, you will get to know exactly which parameters you have to understand, exactly which kind of services our customers are looking for, exactly which area you have to target, exactly which segment of income group of your patients you have to target, right? So this detailed information is only after research you can receive, and which will reduces the most of the uncertainty of your business, and this will help you to take a very effective decision making in your business. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today I will stop here. I think this might have been useful for you all. We are facing few problems in connectivity. I really regret that, but let's see. Let's try to get it sorted next lecture, right?
Yes.
So thank you so much.
Thank you.
And take care. All the best. क्या कर दिया?